So what do we need to do to get a building from here to a smart building? And we want to leave you with some really practical, grounded next steps that will allow you to move forward, give you a path forward to getting from where you are to a smart building. So let's start with number one. The main point is educating people on the fact that every building needs a backbone and a network associated. If you think about it, it's just like the human spine in terms of how critical it is for a smart building. You've got nerves that are taking inputs, delivering it to the spine, and then communicating that information to the brain to perform actions. And you've got a direct parallel with the building. The building has sensors and systems, and they're taking that information, and you need that spine to deliver the information to perform actions and actionable intelligence. So that's step number one, critical piece. And the second, that's rarely said but really needs to be recognized, is the fact that buildings, the backbone is in fact a building system, and that network is a building system. In fact, it's the building system that runs all the other building systems. So when you think of it as a building system, you now have the concepts like, oh, hey, I need to manage this. I need my corporate IT, a dedicated resource for this. I need monitoring and maintenance under a contract. I need an SLA. So recognizing that this core piece, this backbone, and this network as a building system is a critical piece of the educational process. Now, who needs that education? Well, it's the full CRE stack. It's everybody. You need everyone from property management to C-level to master systems integrators to all be aware that this is a critical component. It's really step one to getting you started on the path to a smart building.